Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best welding helmets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Antra AH6-260. The Antra AH6-260 is a cheap welding helmet that is equipped with a built-in passive UV/IR filter that does not depend on the availability of power to provide consistent protection. The lightweight model is compatible with hard hat and cheater lens of size 2 inches by 4 inches for magnified vision. Both the hard hat adapter and magnifying lens are sold separately. The components that come with the helmet are 6 exterior lens cover plates, 1 interior lens cover plate, 2 County Route 2032 lithium batteries, and an integrated solar battery. The 4 sensors activate the auto darkening to adjust to ambient lighting conditions at a speed of 1/25,000th of a second. A knob adjusts sensitivity and delay setting, and the quick grind switch disables auto darkening function when working outdoors. Some users have experienced random flashing despite adjusting the delay time for auto darkening. The Antra AH6-260 is made from high-impact polyamide nylon material and is designed for MMA, TIG, MIG, plasma cutting, and flux core applications. The beginner welding helmet is unsuitable for heavy-duty industrial use and overhead welding because the material is light, but it is an ideal bargain for a lot of DIY tasks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dekopro solar-powered welding helmet. The Dekopro solar-powered welding helmet is recommended for automotive, military maintenance, repair and operation, MRO, and construction work. It features shade range of 9 to 13, optical clarity of 1/1/1/2, and an auto darkening filter, ADFG GX990T, that adjusts the shade at a high speed of 1/25,000th of a second, making this product the best welding helmet under $100 for beginners and hobbyists. You will also like the large viewing screen of 12.1 square inches and the comfortable and adjustable headgear. It is powered by a 3-volt CR2450 lithium battery and a solar cell that transforms sunlight to power to yield up to 5,000 hours of battery life. This is a minimalistic model with a negligible weight of only 1 pound and a short limited warranty of 30 days. Despite this, the Dekopro solar-powered welding helmet supports MMA, MIG, MAG, Colorado II, TIG, arc gouging, and plasma welding and cutting. It also meets the safety and technical standards set by EN 379 and ANSI Z87.1. Remember to peel off the inner and outer protectors from the plastic covers and to set the sensitivity and response time before welding, since it is defaulted to grind mode upon delivery. At number 3, we have the Instapark ADF GX990T. The Instapark ADF GX990T is among the best welding helmets under $100 that is recommended for arc welding, MIG and TIG due to its large viewing area of 15.2 square inches, 4 arc sensors and an auto darkening filter with a light green tint. It features a shade range of between 5 and 13, a resting shade of 4, and optical clarity of 1/1/1/2. One of the things that customers like is that they can conveniently adjust sensitivity, delay, and dark state without removing the helmet. They do this by selecting their preferred settings from the numbers on the side dial. You can also activate welding, grinding, and torching mode with the last set of numbers. This is why you will come across several reviews that compare this model favorably to some of the best welding helmet brands that cost thrice as much. However, the auto darkening feature with a high switching speed of 1/30,000th of a second malfunctions after a while, according to reports by a few buyers. Another drawback is that the helmet cannot be attached with a hard hat. The Instapark ADF GX990T includes a solar-powered built-in cell and a replaceable County Route 2450 lithium battery. The interior of the headgear is padded and the headband is adjustable into multiple geared positions for a custom fit. At number 2, we have the Miller Black Digital Infinity. What will strike you the most with the Miller Black Digital Infinity is the size of the viewing area, 13.4 square inches, which is one of the largest in the market. By allowing more colors through the lens, the Clearlight lens technology yields accurate tones for a clear view of 1/1/1/2 optical clarity and precise recognition of the arc. 4 arc sensors work independently to detect and react fast to obstructed or low amp welding. Another technology adopted by this welding helmet is InfoTrack, which features multi-language help menu, allow you to set the time, timer and alarm, and tracks and displays arc time. There are 4 operating modes for welding, cutting, grinding and X mode. X mode blocks interference by sunlight, prevents cavity welds and allows continuous detection of the arc despite any obstructed sensors. The minimum light shade of 3 is for grind mode, whereas weld and cut modes feature shade range of between 8 to 13 and 5 to 8 respectively. This helmet is powered by AC battery that is included in the package along with a helmet bag, 2 inside cover lenses, and 5 outside cover lenses. It also meets standards set by ANSI Z87.1+, CSA, and CE. Buyers like the optics and the large size and spaciousness of this welding helmet that allows for a clear view and great airflow, the user-friendly buttons and the auto sense function that is convenient in varied light conditions. And finally at number 1, we have the ESAB Sentinel A50. The ESAB Sentinel A50 is powered by 2 County Route 2450 lithium-ion batteries as well as a built-in solar cell for more power options. The 1.4-pound welding helmet for MIG features a relatively small viewing area of 9.3 square inches, which still provides a fantastic field of vision due to the curvature of the outer lens. It has optical clarity of 1/1/1/2. There are 4 sensors with a reaction time of 1/25,000th of a second. The shade ranges between 5 and 13 and shade 4 for the grind mode, which is activated with an external button on the front of the helmet. Users with poor vision appreciate the slot that allows you to add a magnifier, the hypervisible LCD control panel and its responsiveness, and the presets for different parameters. Owners love the halo-style headgear with a padded strap and 5 contact points that fit snugly and stay in position when flipped up, the sturdy construction from the high-impact resistant nylon, and the clarity and color, including the blue tint. They also like the futuristic front cover lens, which gives this welding helmet a cool look like an astronaut's, although the replacement cost can accumulate over time. A few users complained of fish eye effect from the lens. The other downside is the adapter option, which is only compatible with ESAB hard hat. All in all, this is the best welding helmet for TIG and MIG that is reasonably priced considering the high performance. The premium model comes with a padded bag, a welding do-rag, and 5 lenses. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.